No, no, he's just sleeping. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, she needs a little more TLC, eh, brother?
Acceleration used to have a lot more acceleration, you know?
Yeah. Oh, we're dead. Dead in the water. Oh. Oh yeah. His little carburetor.
That's what we're playing today in this tube. Right here.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's what fucking Dab is about, isn't it? He knows everything about it. He's a mechanic. Fuera de la casa. Sí, es bueno para ti. Ya tenemos 500 pesos para ya un donation, ¿sabes? Y va a ser más. Y claro que va a ser mucho más. Y es porque yo pedí mi guitarra, ¿no? ¿Leaste el flyer? Sí. Es un fundraiser, ¿no? Para esta cosa, pero yo te pago, ¿sabes? El precio normal para un show, te pago normal, ¿ok?
Hola amigos. So I was with my buddy Eddie there, and we hanging out on the Malecon here, and we drove his golf cart down to the restaurant here right on the Malecon, which is close to the beach, on the beach, and had a quick lunch. I bought him lunch and had a couple beers, and yeah, we barely made it. As you could hear, his golf cart's not running too good. He was in an accident. He rolled his golf cart. Someone stole his guitar when he was working. I don't know, last week sometime, I'm thinking. So anyway, the poor guy, somebody stole his livelihood. You know, he's out here trying to make a buck. I don't know if you know anything about musicians, but they don't make a lot of money unless you're, you know, famous, which everybody knows. Anyway, regardless, the poor guy, you know, somebody stole his guitar. It was a pretty shady thing to do. So, in a rage, you know, he went trying to chase him down, went out in his golf cart and tried to catch him, and he ended up smashing his golf cart up. So he's a little bit bruised up. His golf cart took some damage, you know. The golf cart's repairable, obviously, and his body will heal, but the emotional attachment that he had to that guitar, you know, he'll never get that back, right? That's priceless, you know. So I'm going to post some links here pretty soon, and I really hope some friends and family, you know, maybe donate $1, $2, $5, $10, $20, whatever you can afford to try to help the guy out. And they're going to do a fundraiser here tomorrow. It's his birthday, actually. We're going to come out, me and Jen, and I'm going to do some cooking for him. And, you know, we're going to donate to his cause and probably chip in and buy some of the food and whatnot. And just help him out as best we can, right? You know, I mean, I'm a firm believer of giving back, so, and so is Jen. So, yeah, I'm going to post some links on Facebook and maybe in my YouTube channel here, or maybe I'll see if I can get some links posted, some PayPal links or something to help the guy out. I'm not one for asking for money, that's for sure. This isn't for me, this is for him to buy a guitar, so keep that in mind. You know, I'm just trying to help a fellow brother out who's, you know, down on his luck a little bit right now, and he's a little bruised up, and they say he lost his guitar. So anyway, I'm just gonna hang out here and wait for the wife to get off work. And it's pretty quiet here. I'm in Progreso, and like I said, Eddie lives here, and he said usually Friday's pretty quiet, and Saturday, Sunday's a busy day. Like further down that way, it's a little bit busier. There's more people. I walked down the Malecon here further. I'm just about to the end. That's the end right over there. Down there. So I wanted to come check it out. I like where it's a little quieter, so I go for a dip here, and yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to make this short little video here for you guys, show you the Malecon in Progreso, and talk about my dear friend Eddie and his bad luck there. The poor guy doesn't even have shoes, for God's sakes. I was giving him a hard time there the other day. Get some shoes, brother. You need some shoes. I'll even buy your shoes for you. Like. Anyway, Godspeed to everybody out there, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. And, God knows I cam around here. A little close, sorry about that. Anyway, Jennifer and I are really enjoying our time here, that's for sure. Definitely been a change for the better. So, yeah, I'm going to sign out now, and like I say, I hope you guys all have a blessed day. Peace out. Hey, well, walking on the Malecon here, I came across a Progreso sign. So, I discovered this for Jennifer when she comes out. So, pretty cool old buildings here. Sun's just about to go down. Hola amigos. So here's the Malecon at night. Jennifer showed up. We just had something to eat. It was a pretty fancy restaurant. Humo in Progreso. I highly recommend it. I'm going to give a shout out to Humo restaurant. It was pretty good. The food was good. You can see there's the bridge where we were last time. We were down over there, obviously by the beach though. So it's all lit blue. So that's where the ships will dock there. So it's a big dock, right? So the big cruise ships will park at the end there. It's all lit up blue. So yeah, here's the Malecon. This Friday night. It's pretty dead. My good friend Eddie Allen, he said it's usually pretty quiet here on Friday nights. It gets busy on Saturday and Sunday, except for when the cruise ships come in, which is Tuesdays and Thursdays, and they are sailing and docking but there's none today obviously. So he said the cruise ships will come Tuesdays and Thursdays normally. Don't quote me, I believe that's what he told me. So that it's busy on those days, and then he said other than that it's pretty quiet except for Saturday and Sunday. So I mean, look at this, it's Friday night. But people in Mexico, they eat late here. Like, so their supper time is 8 o'clock at night, usually when they go out and eat. So a lot of families will be eating right now and getting together and whatnot. So yeah, they eat at 8 o'clock, whereas us, you know, 5:30, well, between 5 and 6, right? For me and Jennifer anyway, and most Canadians that I know. You know, 6:30, 7's kind of pushing it. Even 7's getting late for us, really. You know, the normal dinner time is, I'm ready for bed at 7 o'clock. So yeah, it's a pretty nice night out. It's pretty warm. Yeah, so I just paused my camera. There's going to be quite a few people there. Well, there's a group of people, so. The one guy was like trying to get out of my shot, and I like, no, I paused it. Or tell them, you know, give them the cut sign or whatever, right? It's all good. So I said I try not to videotape people as little as possible. From a distance is okay, but yeah. Anyway, so yeah, this is the Malecon in Progreso in the evening on a Friday night. Pretty quiet. Pretty cool. Look at this place, just lit right up, eh? They go all out here, like for a tropical place at Christmas time, the holidays, like they go all out at Christmas. Yeah, that's a nice little big pub in there, boy. Go there and have a bite to eat sometime and a drink. Anyway, we're gonna walk back down and see if Eddie's there. The place where he told me where he was playing at Humo, apparently you need a reservation and they're booked solid. The guy's like, oh, well, we're booked. And I'm like, oh, okay. But he did make room for us, but he doesn't play till 8 o'clock and it's just 7, a little bit after 7 now. So yeah, I didn't feel like sitting around there and waiting for him to start playing. I'm old and tired, just about my bedtime. So yeah, we're gonna walk back there anyway and say hi to him. He should be there by now and probably getting ready to set up. I told him I'd text him when we're out front, and he'll come out and have a smoke or whatever, and we'll bullshit for a few minutes. So nice warm breeze coming off the ocean, that's for sure. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if, well, me in general, once we get our car, we'll be spending more time out here, definitely. Like, even now with the rent-a-car, we're going to be coming back out here again tomorrow. It's Eddie's having a little fundraiser, I mentioned before, so I'm going to come out for that. And then I'm going to grab my buddy Caleb and his wife Courtney and their son, and have a beach day. So I got some stuff delivered from Amazon for the beach, so I got a cart now so I can wheel out our own umbrella that I bought, and I got a cooler. This is a styrofoam cooler, so So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do on Sunday. And like I say, tomorrow I'll be at Eddie's for his little fundraiser birthday party. So looks like this is a new hotel or building or a big fancy restaurant. It's all roped off still. There's the Policia Quad. That'd be a good job, drive around on that. I seen that guy earlier, I don't know where he went. Yeah, I know, it looks like they're building a hotel here, a hotel or a restaurant, one of the two. Looks like a pretty swanky place anyway. There's some street vendors that me and Jen love. We love that stuff. We just ate, so be no treats for us. Anyway, peace out, have a good night.